Hello all, welcome back again to our YouTube channel, All Things With Us, and welcome again for another amazing video. So this is the before, this is how the bed look like, and we are going to be transforming it into a modern and new bed. So let's start the video. So the bed is 5x6 and we have just started doing the transformation or doing the modifications, and we are going to be making the design as the client wanted. So the design, I think you just need to watch the video till the end so that you can fully understand the design, the materials and the process, the steps that we did follow to achieve the design that the client wanted. As I told you earlier, this is a 5x6 bed and we are going to be transforming it into a modern design. So we normally, for the materials, we normally use plywoods, nails, mostly 1 inch and 2 or 3 inch nails. We normally use a hammer, a contact glue, staple guns, a cutting saw, or you can just use a circular saw. And the other things that we normally use a foam. We normally use a 1/2 inch foam and a 2 inch or 3 inch foam, depending on the design that we are making. We use the fabric and a lining material to cover the back of the headboard. We also use things like this contact glue to attach the foam onto the frame. So basically those are the things that you need to do this transformation. And for a 5x6 bed, depending on the design that you are doing or making, you need about 6.5 to 7.5 meters of fabric, depending on the design, because some designs take a lot of or consume a lot of materials, and others consume lesser materials. But basically, if you have a 7-meter fabric, you can just make most of the designs for a 5x6 bed. So if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. And if this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome to our channel. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, All Things With Us. Don't forget to comment, like and share with your friends and family. Hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. You can also visit our channel because we have a variety of videos. We have uploaded many videos that you can learn 1 or 2 from them. Yeah, so keep watching the video till the end so that you can fully understand everything that we did during this transformation. In these videos, most of the things are self-explanatory. You can just watch the video and understand. And if you have any question or you want to reach out to us, you can just comment down below and I will definitely come back to you. And if you want such services, you can just request from our comments. You can request my number so that I can give you my contact and we talk about how we are going to be making your bed or transforming your bed. We have a variety of designs, a variety of fabrics, types and colors, so it's not limited. We can do anything that you want. So I'm going to be leaving you at this. Watch the video till the end. Don't forget to like, comment, tell me what you think about the whole video, share with your friends and family, and I will see you in my next videos.